Two headlines. A local privilege escalation in snap-confine can allow root. CVE-2026-8933. Reported CVSS 7.8. Plus GitHub is changing HackerOne payouts. Top critical rewards move to a VIP tier on July 27, 2026. Researchers reported a local privilege escalation in snap-confine. Qualys describes two race conditions during sandbox initialization. Snap-confine creates temporary files under /tmp owned by the caller. Ownership is transferred to root shortly after, leaving a small timing window. An attacker can exploit symlink and permission races, drop a .rules file into /run/udev/rules.d, and trigger a FUSE mount cycle so systemd udevd executes commands as root. This matters because default Ubuntu Desktop images include snapd and the vulnerable snap-confine. An attacker with local user access can escalate to full root. That converts a foothold into full host control and widens the incident scope. The report lists Ubuntu Desktop 24.04, 25.10, and 26.04 as affected when they include the vulnerable snap-confine. Remote servers without snapd are not listed as affected in the source. The supplied article reports CVE 2026-8933 with CVSS 7.8. The issue is characterized as high severity because it converts a local user foothold to root. Timeline highlights. GitHub's payout changes take effect July 27, 2026. As of July 22nd, GitHub pages still showed older critical ranges of $20,000 to $30,000 plus. Curl ended its cash bounty at the end of January 2026. Google announced Gemini 3.5 Flash Cyber 1 day before GitHub's change, per the article. Fixes are reported available. Apply the latest snapd updates and verify the installed snapd version on endpoints. Do not assume patch state based on release age. The report describes the attack steps but does not report confirmed exploitation in the wild. An attacker still needs local user access first. The Hacker News links this to a trend. AI scanners increase candidate findings. Google reported Gemini 3.5 Flash Cyber found 55 V8 issues in tests versus 47 and 36 for comparative models. Google's benchmark and exploit claims are not independently verified in the supplied sources. Operational steps from the report. Apply the latest snapd updates across affected Ubuntu Desktop hosts. Verify the installed snapd version on representative endpoints. Treat systems with the vulnerable snap-confine as in scope for response. Researchers. GitHub's public critical payouts are fixed at $10,000. VIP critical payouts are $30,000 or more. Reports before July 27, 2026 keep prior terms. 2 connected points. CVE 2026-8933 can elevate local users to root on affected Ubuntu desktops. Apply fixes and confirm remediation. Platforms are altering bounty economics as AI increases report volume. GitHub lowers public payouts and moves top rewards to a VIP tier. This changes triage and incentive patterns. Sources are the Hacker News articles in the description. They summarize Qualys findings on snap-confine and GitHub's HackerOne payout changes.